Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. OMG guys, we have an exciting shopping episode for today because we are going to check out very beautiful eye candies or bags from Yves Saint Laurent or YSL. So if you want to see everything all about YSL for today, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. $142. Actually, I like talaga the grains eh. Kasi it looks expensive. Pero this is their last piece na raw yun. I've checked the hardware eh. May scratch kasi. Ayan o. No, everything is regular.
46. First time they had it. Greenbelt. Kaya nga I was praying sana yung Cassandra would have this kind of hardware, shiny gold.
Pati yung strap niya actually.
It looks like jewelry, right? Super nice.
Tsaka ano siya, stay shoes. Stay shoes.
Yeah. Pero look at the ano, tingnan mo.
Ayun.
Tapos with, removable ba yung shoulder strap?
Check ko lang po.
Can I see with the strap? Kasi parang, pero with, you need to screw it, ganyan.
No po. Akala po talaga nila inis ko to. Hindi po.
Ganun lang?
Opo. Ganito lang po siya.
Yung,
Ganun lang.
okay. Parang belt.
Opo.
Kasi parang I was imagine, at the strap kasi talaga, hindi ako masyado na in love sa shoulder strap. Sabi ko, I'll carry it as a top handle lang.
Handbag lang po.
Tapos i-remove ko yung ano,
Kasi
yung
po,
detachable.
leather kasi.
Leather, yeah, oo.
Mas maganda sana kung pinombinate na ng shape or like kalagay.
Oo nga, mas maganda yung
Diba?
Tsaka gusto ko yung structure niya.
Nasad naman ako. Last piece na.
Malay niyo po yung sa shower ko mas good condition. Good condition naman po yung shadow.
Makaano daw.
Opo. Meron po po yung structure.
Meron na yun.
Yes po. Same lang din po. Same size and color po.
146, right?
140 to 500 po. Yung 146 to 500 po.
For 142, for credit card,
What card po ba yung meron kayo?
Citibank,
12 months po pwede.
12 months.
Mas makamura ka kaysa yung Dior.
Tapos kung meron kayong YSL.
one ano, 172.5. 172.5. That's nice. Ooh. Parang jumbo, Chanel jumbo. Pero this one always yung parang softer leather, no? Hindi siya yung structured, no?
Lang po kasi yung ginagawa.
So this is lambskin. Pero it's nice, ha? Na-surprise ako sa size na to. Parang I like yung length ng strap.
Tsaka bagong color po yun. Bagong season ng kota. Bagong color po ngayon natin.
For this one ba? Parang light gray. Yung mga gantong lighter grays ba, prone sa color transfer na rin.
Pag sa lighter po talaga yun po.
Yun
Pag
siya.
sa jeans po.
How about
Hi guys, so we have just finished at YSL. So there are good selections. I'm still looking for the Cassandra top handle bag. Unfortunately, that was the last piece, and I've seen there are a lot of a little bit damage with the bag. So they called other stores to check to see. Unfortunately, other stores said that they also don't have new stocks of the Cassandra chap handle. So I'll be on the lookout for that bag soon. Yay!
Guys, before we end our shopping episode for today, I would just like to share the very important tip that the YSL SA has shared to me. She mentioned here in the Philippines, we may no longer have sales at YSL. She said when we were there that they're thinking that they may have, but they are not sure that they may have another sale either May or June this year, but there's a good chance that it would not push through because they would want to again make the brand a little bit more exclusive. A little bit sad, but hopefully they would message me if there is a sale because I left my number with them. So guys, how did you enjoy our shopping episode for today? Hopefully you enjoyed this one. And among the pieces and beautiful bags that I've shown you for today, are you already thinking of adding a YSL bag to your collection? Please do comment down below. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our luxury addicted family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirafy so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A billion thank yous for staying with me guys. In this episode, I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I would see everyone soon. Bye!